happened to me, Ma?
Ah! What is going on?
Iruka-sensei!
Konohamaru! Thank goodness you're safe.
Glad you are too, Sensei.
But never mind about that right now. What is this strange phenomenon?
Yeah. What is this? It appears to me that Naruto has settled things with pain.
What's he doing? What just happened?
I'm gonna stay here and look after these three for a while.
I still have time to revive those I killed.
You must have unfinished business waiting for you back home. I can move on in peace.
Pa!
What?
Thank goodness! I'm so glad, Kakashi-sensei!
Did you just...
Sometimes you actually convince yourself there's no way they could die. You might try to find meaning in war, but all there is loss. Those are the things you will face in the coming days, Naruto. It almost feels like someone set it all up. Seems this is it for me, Naruto.
Something that's very precious to us both.
Yahiko. What are you gonna do now? I'd hate to think you're going back to the Akatsuki.
Yahiko's dream. And then Nagato's dream. Nagato chose to put his faith in you. So now I will do the same.
I think I shall believe in you after all. Naruto Uzumaki.
They're the things I've inherited from my master and from my sibling student.
This time I wish that you will be the blossom of hope.
Just you watch, master.
Good job. He's gotten heavier.
Glad you made it back okay! We knew you could do it!
They've all been waiting for you to return.
Someday I'm gonna be respected by everybody in the entire village! What's this?
Did you get any cool
Ow! Hey, come on! Stop pushing me around! Hey, Sakura.
You're just so reckless. You idiot! Thank you.
I can't believe he pulled it off by himself.
He was my classmate, you know.
But he really outclassed us all.
Let's go down there and join them, Iruka-sensei.
I'm fine.
At first, everyone thought he was only a big nuisance. We treated him like nothing but a bother.
Seems that Ninetales boy was at the center of it.
No way. That kid's a total loser.
Guess he's more skilled than I thought.
Just hope the demon fox doesn't go on a rampage.
Whoa!
That's the Ninetales kid?
I didn't think the fox brat had it in him.
Yeah, he's not bad at all.
He never gave up. He always followed his heart and tried his hardest.
Damn it all!
Word is that he defended the village from the Sand Jinchuriki.
I'm glad the 5th Hokage's been decided. Now we can all breathe easier.
I heard he couldn't bring Sasuke Uchiha back. now, a group called the Akatsuki is going after all of the Jinchuriki.
Lord Jiraiya's watching over him.
Wouldn't it be great if this results in an alliance between the Leaf and the Sand?
The Akatsuki killed Lord Jiraiya!
How's Naruto taking it?
He hasn't lost heart.
He'll keep forging on, as usual.
Naruto has truly changed the minds of everyone whose lives he's touched.
Iruka, I know how you feel. You grew up just like Naruto. That's why he gets into so much trouble all the time. So that people will be forced to notice him. The final wish that the fourth Hokage made was for Naruto to one day be seen as a hero.
There is a hero, right before our eyes.